Hey guys, welcome back to another video on Scylla's Stuff and Things. Today we are making the viral TikTok pasta video. So let's get cooking. So if you've seen the TikTok video, you probably already know this recipe, but I'm gonna add a little something of my own because you guys know me if you've been here for a while. I can't just leave it the way it is. I've got my sous chef over here, Miss Abigail, who likes to do table tasks while I am cooking. This is like what she does, and I love it. We've worked on this for years if you follow us on our other channel, Fathering Autism. So this is super exciting that she can sit here, watch me cook. She helps a little bit, so she'll be in and out. Huh, what are you coming to tell me? Do you wanna help me wash the tomatoes? You don't, okay, you don't have to. Yep, that's what I'm doing. I'm cooking for you. I have to cook. First of all, you have your red grape tomatoes. I'm just going to rinse these off, throw them in a colander. You're gonna add these to a baking dish, just like that. Then you're gonna take your olive oil and drizzle the olive oil all over your tomatoes. You're gonna season them to your liking. We're gonna do some garlic, of course. You can do fresh whole cloves. I'm doing minced. It's completely up to you. I'm also gonna add Italian seasoning all over those cherry tomatoes or grape tomatoes. We're gonna add our salt and pepper. Again, all of this is to your liking, however you want it to taste. We're gonna take a spatula and just mix it around, get everything coated. I'm kind of nervous if my family's actually gonna like this because nobody in the family likes tomatoes except for me. So we will see if it's a win or not. This is the key ingredient, okay? Feta cheese. It has to be in the block. Now you could, if you can't find the block, because I definitely had a hard time finding this block cheese, you could probably take crumbled and like put it in a bowl like this, mold it like into a block maybe? I don't know. I don't know if that's gonna work, but you could try it. You're gonna take your block of feta cheese, make a little hole for it right in the middle of your tomatoes. I did two because the blocks are a little bit smaller. So I'm gonna add 2 here. Then you're gonna take your seasonings that you already put on your tomatoes and add those to the top of the feta cheese. So again, with the olive oil, you're gonna take Italian seasoning, your garlic, and your salt and pepper. You are doing so good. You like your reds and your blues last? Are you so hungry? I think you're gonna like this. And there's enough for lunch tomorrow. This is how easy it is. You're gonna throw it in the oven on 400 for 25 minutes and let it get all nice and bubbly. So here we go. While we're waiting for that to preheat, I'm gonna tell you our secret ingredient is gonna be rotisserie chicken. So typically I would get the full rotisserie chicken. The place I had to go to today didn't have one. So I'm just gonna shred this up and put it on top, kind of mix it in once this cooks. So I'm super excited. We're gonna pop it in the oven on 400. We're gonna set a timer for 25 minutes. Timer. Okay, while we wait on that, we're gonna get our pasta going. It's for the TikTok.
Oh, it's for the TikTok. Be alright.
Cheers. You gotta dance.
Is that what they do in the TikTok?
Yep. And they like look back and forth and line on. I mean, that's the ones I've seen. We're excited. Dump it in here. Ready? Okay. Are you excited? Stir it around. Move it. Keep going. Nice job. Thank you. It looks good. I'm excited. So then you just smash it. You mix it all together. After you mash the tomatoes, you're going to put the pasta right in the dish and hope that it all fits. You're gonna mix it well, very, very well. You're not gonna do this in front of non-tomato eating people. They're stressing out, y'all.
Who's they?
They have a plan B already ready to go.
Sandwiches.
I'm so nervous.
Grilled cheese. I make a mean grilled cheese.
I don't want to not like it, but I think that might be the future.
What if I add more cheese to it to disguise the tomato flavor?
No, we're gonna try it just like it is.
Okay.
Are you excited, Em? You excited to eat? Do you think you're gonna like this?
We're gonna add our rotisserie chicken, which is also gonna mask the flavor of tomatoes. I'm trying here, y'all. Now, we're not a big basil family, so I didn't get fresh basil, but that's what you could add to this. But I am gonna do some parsley. Some just regular old parsley. And we'll add that to it. I think it's gonna be great. Have an open mind.
Yep.
Summer. What do you think? I mean, I can switch some things out.
Nope, I love it.
I love it.
We'll see. We'll see if you actually love
Abby's
it.
like, do not switch it out. We've made it this far.
I'm just saying I can add some things.
I think it's gonna be okay.
Okay? You seem excited. Are you excited about eating this? Let's try this, okay? And we'll see how you do with it. Want some bread to go with it? She's smiling. Do you like it?
Do you like it?
Yeah? Okay. Tell me what you think.
Abby.
Oh, you're taking the whole tomato thing, huh? Like, we haven't tried it at all.
Yeah, it's good.
Yeah?
Yeah.
For real?
Yeah.
Summer?
I haven't tried it yet.
I know.
I'm not putting a whole tomato in my mouth though. I can't tell if Ace is lying or not. Okay.
Right? That's what I said.
Yay!
That was my reaction. It's good. Yeah.
Okay.
It is. I don't taste.
It's yeah, it doesn't taste tomatoey.
That's crazy.
Yeah, I like it.
That was a whole lot of tomato.
Yeah. Okay.
All right, Ab, thumbs up.
Good job, TikTok. Thumbs up, Ab. Yeah.
Oh, that's good.
Told you.
Yeah. That's pretty good.
You want to close out your video?
Yeah. Thank you guys, as always, for hanging out with us. I'm so excited that you guys like this recipe. We did have a plan B just in case. But as always, we appreciate you and we will see you next time. Bye, guys.